You need to watch this. If you struggle with motivation, you owe it to you. Not to your boss, not to your parents, not to your followers, to you. 2025 is not waiting, it's not pausing, and it sure as hell isn't going to feel sorry for you. You've got time, but not forever. And what you don't own, owns you. We've mastered one thing in this generation: excuses. We say, I'll do it when I feel like it. I'll start Monday. I'll wait for the perfect moment. There is no perfect moment. There's only right now. If you keep lying to yourself, you'll wake up 10 years from now wishing you had started today. You've been tricked into believing comfort is your reward. No, comfort is the enemy. It's the drug that numbs your potential. You weren't made for easy. You were built for war. But you're walking through life like you forgot that. Nobody's coming to save you. Read that again. Not your spouse, not your mentor, not your favorite YouTuber. If you don't get up, you stay down. If you don't fight, you stay broken. If you don't get uncomfortable, you stay average. It's not the world's job to believe in you, it's yours. Every second you waste waiting for someone to clap for you is a second stolen from your destiny. You're not owed applause, you're owed results. And those only come through one thing: work. Discipline is not sexy. It's cold showers, it's 5 a.m. workouts, it's doing what needs to be done, even when no one is watching. That's why most people never tap into greatness. They want the rewards without the sacrifice. But here's the truth. Discipline is painful, but regret will break your soul. Every "I'll do it tomorrow" stacks into a wall you can't climb later. You want freedom? Build it with discipline. You want peace? Earn it with pain. You want success? Suffer now, so you can shine later. Goggins said it best. You gotta callous your mind. Pain is not your enemy. It's your teacher. Every time life slaps you in the face, you get to choose. Do I fold or do I rise? Growth doesn't happen in the comfort zone. It happens in the storm, in the suffering, in the silence when your body says quit and your soul says go harder. You want to be uncommon? Then start doing uncommon things. Get up when you're tired. Train when you're broken. Push when your mind screams stop. Because that's when greatness is born. You've spent too long living under the label someone else gave you. Too emotional, too slow, too late. Rip that label off. You decide who you are, not your past, not your parents, not your trauma. You. Your story doesn't end with who you were. It begins with who you choose to become. So speak it, write it, live it. I am powerful, I am relentless, I am the storm. "2025 isn't giving handouts, it's giving opportunities. But only for those who show up. So stop playing small, stop breaking your own promises, stop waiting. You owe it to the kid you used to be. You owe it to the warrior inside you. You owe it to the future waiting to be built. This is your wake-up call. This is your moment. No more talk, no more excuses, no more fear. You owe it to you. Now go earn it. If this message resonated with you, subscribe, share, comment, and like. Let's inspire more people together.